ripped the hair off of my back. Again, not caring. Made me think of my grandfather who fought in World War II against the Jews and the suffering that he must have felt fighting to save the free world and demolish slavery. Those were great people. People these days aren't that good. They just don't care. Like when you bought the wrong tofu. What is your deal?
The off-brand was on sale.
Yes, but you don't know how many chemicals are in that tofu.
Well, you don't give me enough money.
Darling, do you know how much it costs for a pedicure and a ball wax?
It's about, what, $7.50?
Pretty expensive. It doesn't leave a lot of money, but we can't be eating the tofu that has the chemicals in it. Besides that, it's not vegan-grown tofu.
Well, we can save money. I'll give you the ball wax.
Darling, are you certified in ball waxing?
Yeah, I went to school for it. You obviously never listen to me when I talk to you.
You don't care about me at all.
Well, it's because... all you do is cry.
But if you waxed my balls, then they'd be scratchy. I can't have scratchy balls,
Yes,
can
you
I?
can.
Now
I
my
like it like
highlights are
that.
screwed up and my balls are scratchy. People just don't care. Nobody cares about me.
I sure don't.
My point exactly. It's a difficult world to live in.
You didn't even buy me the right tampons yesterday.
The tampons I bought you were environmentally friendly. Made by the Navajo Indians.
You know I don't like those kind. They're all scratchy.
Yes, but it's from Mother Nature. Try having hairy balls.
I've tried that before.
So you're not very good at waxing, then are you?
Somebody else had to do it for me. You can't do it yourself.
Whatever. To my other point, I went down to the store today. Tried to buy a new CD.
Backstreet Boys, right?
The other guy in line in front of me, no, had exactly the same shirt and shoes on that I had. Do you know what that is like? Do you have any idea? You have no idea what it is like to be me.
If you shopping at Kmart, maybe we'd have some original.
You're not shopping at Kmart. They employ slave labor.
Oh yeah, it's Walmart, right?
Walmart's good for the community.
Oh right.
What do you know anyways?
Everything.
Don't know a thing. You know nothing about me.
I know all you do is sit on your ass all day and cry like a little girl. You
know-
can put your hair in pigtails.
You try working after you've watched The Divine Secrets of the Yaya Sisterhood. That movie is so beautiful and intense. It is just not possible to do anything for 2 days after watching that movie. It requires that kind of contemplation. You know nothing. You do not appreciate me. I'm sensitive. You remember the time that I swerved to hit that mosquito, don't you?
No, I don't. I try and block that from my memory.
You don't appreciate me at all. No appreciation.
We need to break up.
You're right, we do. I need to find a woman who will appreciate me for me and the highlights of my hair, the professional waxing of my balls, professional manicure and pedicure that I have, my hair-free back that the water beads up on.
Okay, I'll call your mom and have her come right over.
No, I'll call my mom for you, thank you. I believe I'm due. It's been half an hour since I called her last.
Oh yeah, I know you like it when she gives you the ball waxing.
My mother is an accomplished ball waxer, thank you, and it's been a while since I've spoken with her. You just do not appreciate me. You're gonna make me cry.
It doesn't make me feel any less. Here, you can sit there.
I'm surprised they don't have mountain noise checks. You know.